There is a saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. That means there must be something special in the morning. You have noticed that those who sleep early and wake up early in the morning are of different quality, and people who sleep late and wake up late are of different quality. Why this happens? Early morning from 3:30 to 5 is called Brahma Muhurt. Brahma means creation and Muhurt means time. That means you can create whatever you want in this time, because the potential of creation is at peak in this time. If your goal is to create healthy body, then you can exercise in this time. If you want any solution to any problem, then you can find it. If you want to develop new skill, you can easily acquire it if you try it in this time. And if you want to make yourself more knowledgeable, then you can read books. In this time, you can feel the cosmic energy, the energy of creation. Then the question is how to wake up early in the morning. Don't worry, to your question I have an answer. So without any delay, let's get started. In the modern time, and especially the lifestyle of Western countries has made us to wake up late in the morning. But we have forgotten that our yogis, sage, great persons as well as successful persons wake up early in the morning because they feel the morning time most suitable. But by the impact of Western culture, we prefer to wake up late, but not anymore. Because I am going to share simple and most powerful ways that you just have to follow, and you will see that you can easily wake up early in the morning. Really? Yes. Just watch the video till the end. The first and foremost, that is, eat before 7:30. It may sound awkward, but yes, it really works. What we do in the night is, we eat late and just having our dinner, we go to bed, which creates bad impact in our digestive system. We must remember that our digestion process is very low at night and very high in the daytime. So if you have your dinner at 7:30 and go to bed by 10:30, then you have around 3 hours in between. You will see that your food must be half digested by the time you go to bed, and for sure it will have no bad impact on our digestion process. That will help you not only wake up early in the morning but also wake up with charged up. Then number 2, that is, eat less. Yes, you must eat before 7:30 and eat less. You must have heard a saying that eat your breakfast like a king, eat your lunch like a common man, and eat your dinner like a beggar. Yes, this saying is 100% true. We must eat like a beggar at night. That means we must eat less at night. What's the reason behind it? Very simple. Because our digestion process is very low at night. If you consume heavily at night, then obviously it will put more pressure on our digestion system. More energy will be needed for that. If more energy is used for digestion of food, then you will feel lazy to wake up in the morning. Then number 3, try to go to bed early at night. In order to wake up early in the morning, you have to go to bed early at night. Why should you go to bed early? Because our body needs proper rest to rejuvenate itself. And if you go to bed late, then how can you be able to wake up early in the morning? Definitely your body will not let you to wake up. In the beginning, it may be difficult to go to bed early, but if you make it a habit, you will definitely see the result. And remember, if you fulfill the first 2 points, then you can easily implement the third point. Number 4, avoid phone, laptops, computers 1 hour before you go to bed. It has been a habit with all of us using mobile phones, laptops before going to bed. But we are not aware of the damages of using these electronic gadgets immediately before going to bed. Research found that this behavior is particularly common among adolescents and young adults between the age of 13 and 29. Various studies have shown these devices can interfere with sleep by suppressing the production of melatonin hormone, that is otherwise known as sleep hormone. There is a biological clock. When the sun rises in the morning, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that makes you feel awake and alert. But as the daylight fades or the sun sets, our body produces another hormone, that is melatonin, that produces feelings of sleepiness. But when we use electronic devices like cell phones, tablets, readers and computers, they emit blue light which reduces the release of melatonin hormone and we don't feel sleepy on the bed. Blue light is also very harmful for our eyes. So at least don't use these electronic devices 1 hour before you go to bed if you want to sleep better as well as wake up early in the morning. Then number 5, do some physical exercise every day. Every day we must invest certain amount of time in physical exercise. It can be yoga, gym, running or breathing exercises. It has many benefits. It can help to have better sleep. It can promote relaxation, reduces anxiety and normalize our internal clock. By doing physical exercise regularly, our body feels sleepy at the proper time and also helps to wake up early in the morning. Number 6, do meditation for 10 to 15 minutes before you going to bed. If you have trouble falling asleep at night, then meditation can help you a lot to sleep better. Doing meditation can clean your mind, reduce anxiety, stress and relax our body so that you can have sound sleep. And if you have a sound sleep at night, then you can easily wake up early in the morning. Number 7, eat 40 to 50% lively food every day. Lively food can be enough salads, fruits and vegetables. Most of the time, we eat overcooked food or spicy food which are very difficult to digest. And you must know that the food which are very difficult to digest can create laziness and bad impact on our body. But if you eat salads, fruits and vegetables in its raw form, then they are easy to digest. And instead of doing bad to our system, it helps to digest food easily and provides more energy. Last but not the least, that is, keep your alarm clock or mobile away from your bed. Why you must keep your alarm away from your bed? Why not just near? It is because if you keep it nearer to you, then when it rings, you just press the snooze button and sleep back. But if you keep it away from your bed, then when it rings, you have to get up and walk to the alarm clock. In the meantime, you can be awake. So these are the most effective as well as most powerful ways that you can follow in your day-to-day life, and you will see that you can easily wake up early in the morning. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then give a big thumbs up and share this video with your family members, friends and relatives. And if you are new in this channel, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for next video.